All right, boys, welcome back. You'll never guess what's back in the garage. We got these two, and we got this big booty bitch right here, and accompanied by all of these lovely parts. What we got? What do we got? What's this? Do you even know what that is? This the toe arms?
The Megan Racing toe arms.
Yeah, toe arms. Okay, we got toe arms, camber arms, some coilovers that are nicely placed in boxes, some headlights. Oh, these are bumper lights. We got some more stuff. We got some lug nuts.
Those are just tools for that.
Okay, it's the coilover spanners, and we got some front camber kits with some stickers. So today we're gonna try and transform this vehicle from a hoopty to a beauty.
And we got some surprise wheels.
Some surprise wheels. I like that.
The finishing
Yeah,
touch.
Exactly. Again, we're making the CD7 great again. We're gonna try and make a. I don't even know what I'm doing. Try and make a good video out of it. All right, we're gonna get started. Jack the car up and shit. So we got the fucking struts out. Matt did. I didn't do anything. Struts are out, both sides. Beautiful H22. We got our brand new shiny coilovers compared to these dusty old stock pieces of shit. And right now Matt's gonna decide how low he wants to go.
How low can you go?
How low can you go, dude? Yep. So once he figures that out, we're gonna put him in and then into the car.
So it's scraping on the leaf.
All right, we'll check back in. Boys, we're back. We got our coilover installed, as you've probably seen in that time lapse. We got our upper control arm, camber kit, whatever you want to call it. It's all bolted up, looks beautiful. Matt is working on the finishing touches on this side.
As far as that's concerned.
Yeah. Fuck it, dude. That one bolt is fucked up, so whatever. Who cares? But it's in. It's in. It's in. So what we're gonna do next is do a little test fitment. I think we might have to push that in, because that's like completely positive. You know what I mean? Like this is all the way out. So we'll have to push it in if we want to try and lower the car down at all. All right, we'll check back when we're doing that shit. All right, boys. Welcome back. It's a new day. So we did get our front put together here, which I mean, let's see how. Hopefully the fender is not sitting on the fender over here, but yeah, look at how good that bitch looks though. Looking great. But when we were taking out the rears, what typically happens, what do you know? Happened. things happen, and it sucks sometimes. But so what had happened was, we take a look here. This bolt snapped, so we had to cut the fucking nut off of the strut and pry this piece of shit out. So now what we have to do is replace the bushing. So we've got our bushings in the freezer right now, which we're probably gonna take them out so we can sand them down a little bit, make it a little bit easier to get them in. But what we have to do right now is we need to fucking bang out the rest of the bushing. So we're gonna fuck this shit up. We're gonna cut the race, and then we're gonna bang out that outside race. And if everything goes smoothly, this shouldn't take very long. Should be pretty simple. So we're gonna get started. I might start up a time lapse. I'm not sure. But yeah, stay tuned. All right, boys, we've done it. We've really done it. We worked through the aids, and we got the rears on. Rear camber kits on too. So we gotta do some height adjustment though. It's definitely a little maxi flush at this point. This side definitely came down compared to how it was yesterday.
Yeah, I'm not sure if it's on that side. If I put my hands on her,
yeah,
my fingers fit perfect on that side. But I don't know if that's because that side's fucked up.
Some shiny ass rims, dog. Gee. All right, boys. We just adjusted the height. Let's see how low she is. Pop the trunk so I can jiggle it a little bit, see if it goes down anymore. I think that's a good spot to leave it at for now, because it's going to settle. What we got to do, if you want to put the key in, turn the wheel, we'll see how much we're going to have to roll the fenders. It looks good, dude. It's a completely different car. Yeah, go full lock. I don't know. I think we're barely gonna have to roll. This side at full lock isn't this close. But if we roll it, it'll come out like a little bit more. So right now it's not rubbing, but when you hit a bump, it's definitely gonna rub. Boys, we did it. Look at how good it looks. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now I gotta take it for a drive. You gotta tell this motherfucker to move his car. because it's cold. Alright, let's go for a ripski. Yeah, we're banging. Oh, the alignment's definitely all fucked up.
Oh, damn. Yours did this? Just clunked like this?
Yeah.
Over just like this though? Like over like, god damn.
Yeah, before I put the pillows in. Stanflation, dude. I'd go all the way to the right.
Go right?
Back up and like hook it to the right and then go left. You're gonna drag shit. She pulls though. Look at this beauty. Sketch. Ooh. Yeah, that looks sick. As you just seen, the Accord, this is the next day. The Accord is looking good. She's finally not looking like a hoopty. The Civic, a little update on the Civic. She's running, she's driving. She looks pretty good. I clayed and buffed the car, and it came out really good. It's a little dirty now because we went on a little cruise to go get some chicken. But she looks pretty good. I mean, a lot better than she did when we first got her off the U-Haul. We're thinking about doing a rising sun on the fender here just to be ricers. But yeah, guys. I have a bunch of shit to try and edit for that car. I think the Accord video is going to be coming out first because it's just more exciting, and I really am pumped up to edit that video. I have a lot of footage to edit with this engine swap and everything that went into it. I wish I recorded more, but I ended up trying a new approach to recording. So I tried a new approach to recording, you know, clips, and it just didn't come out right. I ended up with a lot of useless footage, but there will be a video. I'm not sure how much of a video I can make with the useless footage that I had. A lot of head mount stuff that just had nothing in the frame. But soon we are going to be working on the Integra. As soon as I feel like I have some time, we're gonna lower her some more, get the traction bar on, we're gonna clean up the paint, and yeah, you guys stay tuned. If you haven't already, subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and give me a comment. All right, boys. Peace. See you in the next one.